Hello friends, welcome to Nina's Kitchen. Today I will make a very simple recipe, but it is very essential. How to make the plain yogurt at home. Normally we all are buying the yogurt in container like that, but normally we prefer to make the yogurt at home. So let's see how to make the plain yogurt at home. It's not a hard, but it's very nice to make the homemade yogurt. In order to make the homemade yogurt, I have taken 750 ml of milk, which is 3 cups of the milk. I have 3 tablespoons of the yogurt. When we buy the yogurt, to make the yogurt again, we have to always have some little bit from the past, all the little bit left over the yogurt. So I kept 3 tablespoons of the yogurt to mix with the milk. Now let's start to make the yogurt. First of all, in the one pan, I took 3 cups of milk. You can take whatever the milk you are using it, 3%, 2%, 1%, whichever you are using it. Today we are using the 2% of milk, so we are making the yogurt out of 2%. Now to make the yogurt, first we have to boil the milk. So I start the stove on. In pan I put 750 ml of milk, and we have to stir this milk continuously so it should not get stick at the bottom. It takes at least 3 to 4 minutes to boil the milk. You have to stir the milk continuously in order not to get stick at the bottom. Now you can see it's boiling, so I take it out from the stove and keep it on the side. It took me almost 4 to 5 minutes. I boiled the milk on the high speed, so it takes almost 5 minutes to boil. Depends upon the stove. Now, what happened? To mix the yogurt into this milk, we have to leave the milk till it gets warm up. Not too hot, not too cold. When we mix this yogurt into this milk, the milk should be not too hot, not too cold, lukewarm. Make sure it takes at least another 10 to 15 minutes to come to the lukewarm. Meantime, I took the 3 tablespoons of the yogurt from the past, which I have it in my fridge. So I take it out from the fridge to make it as a room temperature, and I just leave it on the counter. Now I have to wait for the milk to come to the lukewarm. It will take at least half an hour. Friends, after 15 to 20 minutes, the boiled milk turned out to be the lukewarm. You can touch the pot, and the pot is a little bit lukewarm, so the milk is lukewarm. Now what I will do, I took this yogurt out from the fridge, so I will add the little milk into this yogurt. Mix the milk with the yogurt. That's why the yogurt has to be on the room temperature. Now it's been mixed properly. So what I will do, I have this container. I will put the milk into this container. I poured the milk into this container, and now I will add this mixture of the yogurt and milk into this milk. Now I will mix everything with this whisk to mix the milk and yogurt together. Cover the lid and I will put this container into this warm place for at least 3 to 4 hours. So my warm place in my house is my oven. So I will put it into the oven for at least, I will put into this oven for at least 4 to 5 hours. Depends, if it is a summertime, the yogurt can done with faster, but it's a winter time, 3 to 4 hours. Now after these 4 hours, you can see the yogurt is ready like that. And you can see it's very nicely, very thick. You can see yogurt is ready. Friends, this way you can make the yogurt at home. Enjoy the yogurt. You can eat this yogurt with rice. You can make some raito. You can have yogurt alone. You can make a lassi. You can make chas, whatever you like it. But try to eat yogurt more and more to be healthy. Friends, if you like my recipe, then don't forget to subscribe and try to make the comment so I can improve my videos. Thank you very much and enjoy the day.